Hi friends. So today we shall have a walk through the flight controller configurator software which I use for setting up my drone. So let's open up the configurator from Cleanflight developers.
The version I use is 2.4.0, which is a stable release. So now connect your flight controller board to the USB and select the port and click connect. Now place your drone onto a level surface and click calibrate accelerometer. And wait for a few seconds for the sensor to level out. Then click on calibrate magnetometer. Then rotate your drone in all 3 axes and you have 30 seconds to do this. Click on the reset Z-axis if your drone is not facing front. Now we have done with the Setup tab. Now let's move on to the Ports tab. In the Ports tab we have 2 serial ports, and serial port 1 is set for the communication of the flight controller board to the Cleanflight configurator. Note: do not change setting for this, otherwise you will be unable to connect to your board. And serial port 2 is connected to the GPS module. Now I shall show you all the setting I use for my drone.